Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot CMS for AI content publishing, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot CMS for AI content publishing, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to access the account settings. In the left sidebar, find and select integrations. From the integrations name, once your API key is created, copy the key to your clipboard. Next, open the AI content publishing tool or platform you are using. Locate the authorization or API integration section. Paste your HubSpot API key into the designated field. Ensure that you follow any additional prompts required by the AI tool for authentication. After entering your API key, save your settings. The platform should now attempt to verify your connection to HubSpot. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. In case of any errors, double-check your API key for accuracy. Also, ensure that your HubSpot account has the necessary permissions for AI content publishing. Now, look for options to select which content types you want to publish. Choose the relevant content types according to your needs. Once you have made your selections, proceed to the next step. Test the integration by creating a sample piece of content. Publish the sample content to your HubSpot CMS. Verify that the content appears correctly in your HubSpot account. If everything is functioning as expected, your setup is complete. Now you can start using AI content tools to publish content directly to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.